Okay, so we're gonna do this new song by 24K Goldn. It's kind of a remake of, but anyway, so it's capo 5. I'll show you how to play without capo, but let me show you with capo. Capo 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Without capo. Let me just listen to it. Yeah. You get the idea. And then at the end, they've got this. Ah. Okay, that was just a little improvisation. If you want private lessons, in the description. If you want more videos like this, well, I don't do videos like this often, so don't subscribe. Cheers, guys. Bye.